Hi, it's me, Myka and welcome back to my channel. Do you want to achieve that fresh just out of the shower look? Well, stay tuned in this video as I'll show you how to nail that youthful, delicately dewy glow. Dewy skin starts with clean skin. So before I put on everything, I moisturize my face first using my Innisfree mist. And now I'm applying my primer from Elana Cosmetics to set my base. Then I'm gonna put on the Sheer Buildable Foundation from NYX that gives you a natural glow. You can use as much as you want depending on how much coverage you need without sacrificing dewiness. After that, I'm gonna pat on Elana's Mineral Foundation to set my face. Now for my kilay, I'm keeping it as usual, so I'll be using a Korean brand 3D brow pencil. I super duper love it because it's the total package as it comes with a brow mascara and an eye smudge brush. For my eyes, I'll be using a NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. It has 9 mattes and 7 shimmers that have great pigmentation. I'll be using this matte pinkish shade as my base shade, then I'll top it off with a pinkish shimmery shade. For a more radiant look, I'll put on some blush on the upper part of my cheekbones using the rosy shade from Wet n Wild. After the blush, I'm gonna dab some highlighter on my cheekbones, brow bone, down the bridge of the nose, and on the Cupid's bow. For the lips, I'll be using the Gander shade from Vice Cosmetics. Actually, this is just one of the shades that Vice gave me. I'll be doing a review on the lipstick set with a special guest, so watch out for that. Now, I'm gonna top it off with a lip gloss from Revlon to maintain the glowy look. We're done! This is the final look. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe on my channel and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!